go ahead and pick one out, whatever one you want to do. There's the Warhead one over here.
Mmm.
Warhead sour dipper. Just pick whatever one you want to do next. We're gonna
Chewy mini bites. Doesn't say the full.
Those are by Tootsie Roll brand.
Yeah. Yeah.
There's no flavors on the backside.
Cherry. Lime, lemon, orange, cherry, and what's there?
There's about 5
Okay.
We'll all get a banana. First thing that came out was a lemon, a blue, a red.
Let's not eat a chunk together. Let's try them separate. We want to know what they all taste like. Then you can eat that.
So the first one we're gonna try is cherry.
Okay.
What's cherry? Right?
Everybody try it. Let's see what you think.
They're soft.
Actually, tastes like cherry. Actual cherry flavor and actual texture.
That's the pink one.
It's really good, actually. Tastes exactly like the texture.
I was excited about these.
Yeah.
I think they're going to be awesome.
It's really good.
But what's the blue? They don't,
Okay, we'll take the blue.
'Cause the
It's
blue-
raspberry. Actually, they don't actually have blue raspberry.
That's right, because in the package, the regular Tootsie Rolls, that's a vanilla, the blue one, right?
It's like cotton candy. A lot.
That tastes like cotton candy?
Really
Here,
good.
try it.
I'll take that.
Here, Mom.
Oh, yeah. It's like cotton candy.
Yeah.
Or like like a slushy, like when you go to the fair or something like that.
That's what I was thinking of.
Or the-
banana.
Or
Banana.
the slushy stuff from Speedway.
Mom. Oh, yeah, these are actually really good.
Oh, that does taste just like cotton candy.
I really do recommend these.
Yeah, you should.
Okay, what you got now, banana?
We're gonna try the banana, which is yellow.
Oh, there's not a banana in Tootsie Rolls either.
Yeah.
So
What's
these
really
are...
good about these when
This
you
is
chew
lemon.
into on the outside.
These are lemon. This is lemon, but
What's really good about these when you chew into them, the outside like just slowly starts to crumble and it gives a really good
There.
lemon.
Is it banana or lemon?
Lemon.
lemon.
It's
Oh,
lemon.
okay, because there's
It
lemon.
falls apart in your mouth, kind of. But when you bite into it,
But they're good.
they're really good. But the yellow one is sour. I taste no banana.
Because there is no banana.
There's
No banana. Okay, next one we're gonna try is orange.
Okay.
I can't tell which one is that.
More than funny. So,
Okay.
Come on, dig in.
oh my gosh, the orange one is so good. I feel like all of them have different textures to them. Because this one didn't actually crumble in your mouth like the yellow one did.
This one you have to
They're actually
chew up.
they're really good. I
Really,
like them
really
a lot.
good.
I recommend them. You should get them.
Did we try the?
We've never seen them anywhere but the Dollar Tree right
Yeah,
now.
to the Dollar Tree, get them.
Here's the green.
If anybody knows where we could get them somewhere else, let us know.
In the comments below. So now we're gonna try the green. This is the last flavor.
It is. Oh!
Oh.
Like burst in your mouth with flavor. It kind of reminds me of like
These
soda.
are the green
know
one is
why.
the best. The green one is the best
You
flavor.
need to get these.
Hold the package up so everybody can see.
I recommend you buy these. These are really good, especially the greens.
These are the bomb.
You need
I
to
bet.
get fruit chews, mini bites, candy, coated
Hold the package up.
chews.
Close so we can see it and hold it still. Down some.
Really good. I recommend them.
Yeah.